3.
Now there they go, protection from all these guys up here. The work rate from Wagner, very, very rapid indeed. He's got a mission on his hands. When he moves over the walls, quite rapidly indeed. 6-minute time roll, treat line of channel, and Matthew Gurr from Tasmania moving. He's motionless almost, moves so smoothly, and gets it down to third and final ball roll on turn number 2. Then we move to into you on turn number 3, and he's done it with another location from our program. And then we move to Mr. Strickland on turn number 5. Here goes John Meyer, one of the guys up the top, right on down the front, and brought up to him. And that's the Gurr goal to a win. That's the kind of sensation, as soon as we start to get up, and that we look at the bottom, and Wagner on the ground already. The man is on a mission on turn number 1. Cheer on him, ladies and gentlemen, like the Gurr goes. He has Matthew Gurr coming down right now, second round along with Brad Meyer. Look at that. He's got his balls to where they need to go. Do not sit there for Ricky. Don't cost him a bit of valuable time. And no one is going to threaten Wagner on the second side of the tree. He's almost 1 clear ball ahead of everybody else. He's showing how good he is at the moment. It's only qualified hit number 2. Why has he got left in the tank for the fight in the final for this afternoon? We can only wait and see. Now, two race there on 2, 2, and 2, 3 for Hewitt and Gurr. Those guys are in the neck there. In fact, I think Gurr just taking the margin lead there. But no one is going to catch Brian Wagner, the Queenslander. He's going to win this competition by a sprint, ladies and gentlemen. And there it goes. It's an opening goal for that turn number 1 for that man. Right, it's been safe performance by Brian Wagner. So listen to everyone, be ready to get to the final. I am going to there, and I'm going to be angry. Well, race on to the bike places, Matthew Gurr, the legend on number 2. It's carried some injuries for the last few years, which is going to be performing enormously. And then we also have Mr. Hewitt, which on number 4 tree, right on the far. Look at the good between Gurr and Meyer, standing neck and neck between the Tasmanian and the Victorian. Can't get the eye behind the Gurr going to oh, look at that. Hewitt stays in there. Hewitt stays on the right corner. And Hewitt stays in there. I think for a bit of a surprise.